Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make spinach sauce for rice. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of fresh spinach, 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 bell pepper. Also, have on hand some cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and your favorite seasonings like salt and pepper. This simple recipe is perfect for a delicious and healthy weeknight dinner. Now, let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and sauté them until they become translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in the minced garlic and diced bell peppers, cooking for another 3 minutes until they are slightly softened and fragrant. This forms the flavorful base of our sauce. It's time to build on those delicious flavors. Stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and cook it for about 1 minute, allowing it to deepen in color and flavor. Then, gradually add the washed and roughly chopped spinach to the pot. It might seem like a lot, but it will cook down significantly. Cover the pot and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes or until the spinach is tender. Almost there. Now, season your spinach sauce generously with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of cayenne pepper if you like a little heat. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed to suit your preference. Once perfected, your vibrant and flavorful spinach sauce is ready to be served warm over a bed of fluffy white or brown rice. It's a fantastic, healthy meal that's both satisfying and easy to prepare. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.